In this video, I'll show you how to create a Square online checkout link. First, sign into your Square account and open the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online, then select Payment Links. Next, click Create Payment Link and choose the type of checkout you want to create. You can create a link for a single item, multiple items, a donation, a subscription if available, or a custom payment amount. After that, enter the product or service details, including the item name, price, description, and any optional settings such as quantity limits or customer information. Review the checkout settings carefully and make sure the payment methods and business information are configured correctly. Now, click Create Link to generate your online checkout page. Copy the checkout link and open it in a browser to verify that everything appears correctly. Test the checkout experience to ensure customers can complete their purchases smoothly. Finally, share the checkout link through email, text message, social media, or your website. You can return to the Payment Links section at any time to edit existing links, monitor payments, or create additional checkout links for other products and services. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Square online checkout link. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.